Okay, I'm back in this motherfucker. Told y'all motherfuckers I'd be back. Basically, I want to fulfill this tag from Dope and Swag as well once again. I'm the ringtone tag. She was graciously nice to tag me. But, yeah, gotta open up me some Moscato. Clap, clap, bravo, lobster and shrimp with a glass of Moscato. Yeah. But anyway, take my verses too seriously. You hate me. I'm okay. I'm gonna share them with him. Let's keep it moving. I think I recorded this. First one, I got is Asshole by Nature, No Help. Then I got Fabulous featuring Trey Songz, Goes Out. Michael Jackson, Pretty Young Thing. Oh, I got to love you. BYT, Pretty Young Thing. And Invented Sex, Trey Songz, featuring Drake. Clap, clap, bravo, lobster and shrimp with a glass of Moscato. And we gon' do it big like this. Alright. My Ride by Jeremiah. Swag Surfing by whoever. Rich Off Cocaine, Rick Ross. Ain't nothing but the wind in my hair. Gucci Man, you know how these hoes be. Say Holiday is yours. Gucci Man featuring 112 Bust Down. Lil Wayne, I Love You. Number One Sex. Pretty Wings by Maxwell. I got a lot of ringtones. Always Strapped. Lil Wayne. I Wanna Be Down by Brandy. I Wanna Be Down. Ice Cream Paint Job by Duro. I Need a Girl, Trey Songz. Throw it in the bag. Ego by Trey Songz. My Story by Sean McGee. Hi, Mom. Hi, bye, Mom. Under by Pleasure Peace. Got that water. Successful. Raindrops by Jeremiah. Trying to Block the Sun. Cause you getting old. Best I ever had. Medea. My mom thinks she Medea. Yellow Light. But most of the time it's gon' cool it when I'm hitting that shit. And she like it. Little Pleasure P, I'm a beast. Mario, Love and You Love, that's the gripper ringtone. it. Why would you want to break up? I'll let y'all listen to that for a second. Alright, well that concludes all my ringtones. Thank you, Dopest Swag, for tagging me, Marty fucking P. And that concludes it all. Loving you, why would you wanna break up?